Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have Lucky Leaf. Now this little girl was brought to me by my coworker across the hall. Her daughter had found her in the bottom of the closet in this state. So you can see she's got some stuff on her. She also has her tail cut and her mane cut. If you haven't heard of Lucky Leaf, she is fairly hard to find. And when I informed my coworker of this, she was kind of surprised, as I was too. I had never seen her before, so I'm just gonna start with our normal bath of Dawn dish soap and hot water, and then I'll go in with a magic eraser to see if I can get off all this schmutz. So after her bath, not everything came off, so I get out the acetone, basic nail polish remover, and see if I can get some more of that off. So when the nail polish remover didn't get everything off, I'm going to resort to using our 40 volume cream developer. It's the same kind they use in hair salons. And we're going to just dab that onto some places where she has some discolored areas. And then I'm going to put her in my UV chamber. And she actually stayed in for quite a while. She came out of the UV chamber looking really nice. She was actually in there for, I think, a whole week, if not more. And now it's time to replace her tail. So I got this hair from Shimmerlocks.com. It's a great company. I can't say enough about them. It's not sponsored or anything, but if Shimmerlocks wants to sponsor me, I'm welcome and open to that. So we're using the shade Crumpet, because that's the color of hair that she would normally have. And I am trying to get in the habit of cutting stuff longer than what I think I need, because I can always trim it, of course. And in this case, I actually had to do this twice because I ended up not putting enough into her tail at first. I tried to kind of see how much I needed, but I had to go back and undo things and do it again. Trial and error. And the next up, of course, is the rerouting of the main. I'm still not great at this. I don't have a good sort of habit of keeping the strands of hair in a good way. I don't know. This, I feel like, will forever be my struggle bus. And of course, once you have all the hair plugs into the main, you need to make sure that you're gluing them in place. I'm just using tacky glue. It's always worked for me. I know some people use fabric glue, but this has always worked fine for me. And again, this is not going to be for play. If you're making a toy for play, you're going to want something that's going to really, stay, because, kids can be kind of crazy with their toys. But if this is just going to sit on the shelf, this would be totally fine. So I ended up curling her hair because the original had curly hair. And you can see how she's changed from her before and her after. I hope you had fun, guys. I hope you learned something. And I will see you guys next time.